Not stopped those plans.
Kuringana na Godfrey Nyongesa uria niwe Muikariri giti wa guthaitira maria maturigiciirie guku mwena wa gicua-ini. Uingihu wa takataka mwena wa gicua-ini ucungiriirio ni andu kiumbe aria maitaga takataka akiuga makinya marumu ma kiwatho ni magutacukio akiuga giki nikio gitumi kinene gia takataka kuingiha guku mwena uyu.
We have noted that private waste collectors are contributing to the problem and the challenges we are experiencing as a county in garbage collection. We are therefore going to engage them actively in solving this problem of garbage collection.
Nyongesa niongereire kuga ati no nginyagia mundu wothe akorwo hetwo marua ma gukorwo agiita takataka haria hagiriire iri ta njira ya kuhotithia thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombasa kung'ethanira nao kiwatho.
I wish to bring to the public awareness that there exists a Waste Management Act that was enacted in July 2017, which we are going to enforce with immediate effect. This act has the following provisions that the public ought to be aware of. Number one, the act stipulates very clearly that no unlicensed persons shall be allowed to transport waste in the county. I therefore direct that all persons and entities currently involved in waste collection and transportation be registered with the Department of Environment, Waste Management and Energy.
Maya mokite kahinda kanini thutha wa tauni ino ya Mombatha gukorwo egumirwo ni giko kiria aikari makoretwo makiruta mateta na kuria thirikari ingirire hari ongania wa takataka. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.